Gentlemen, what if I told you that you could improve your erections using nothing but your own 2 hands? I'm Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and while medications and lifestyle changes matter, many men want natural, immediate techniques they can try at home. That's where acupressure comes in. Today, I'll show you 3 doctor-approved pressure points that improve blood flow, reduce tension, and support stronger erections, especially if stress or anxiety is part of the problem. Science behind acupressure. Acupressure comes from ancient medicine, but has modern science to back it up. Applying pressure to specific points releases endorphins, eases muscle tension, and boosts circulation. Erections are hydraulic. They require arteries to relax and veins to constrict. Stress and anxiety squeeze vessels shut, limiting blood flow. By stimulating key pressure points, you break that cycle, promoting relaxation, better blood supply, and stronger sexual performance. Point 1. Sea of Energy. The first point is called the Sea of Energy, or CV6. To find it, place 4 fingers below your belly button, just above your pubic bone. Press gently until you feel a tender spot. This point relaxes deep abdominal and pelvic muscles that often get tight from stress or sitting too long. When they loosen, blood flows more freely to the genitals. Massage with firm circular pressure for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing deeply as you go. Do this twice a day for best results. Point 2. 3-ene intersection. Next is the 3-ene intersection, or SP6, found on the inside of your leg. Sit comfortably, find the bony knob of your inner ankle, then measure 4 finger widths up along your shin. The soft spot just behind the bone is the target. This point connects energy channels tied to hormones and blood flow in the pelvis. Press firmly with your thumb for 30 to 45 seconds on each leg. You may feel a dull ache. That's normal. This massage boosts circulation and balances energy. Point 3. Sea of Vitality. The third point is called the Sea of Vitality, or BL23, located on your lower back. Find your waistline, then place your thumbs about 2 finger widths from your spine. Massage these soft spots for about a minute each side. This point relieves deep back tension, improves nerve signaling, and opens blood vessels in the pelvic floor. It's a hidden powerhouse for male vitality and a great daily stress reliever. Use thumbs or a tennis ball against a wall for extra pressure. These 3 pressure points aren't a replacement for medical care, but they're a powerful complement. Used daily, they can ease stress, improve circulation, and support stronger erections. Remember, persistent erectile issues signal a bigger health concern, so always see your doctor. But for natural support, try these massages today. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which pressure point you'll be trying first.